DRC. It stands for the Democratic Republic of the Congo. It's the second largest country in Africa, and it's located here. This country was formerly known as Zaire, and was popularized by this guy, Mobutu Sese Seko, who liked to call himself the King of Zaire. He invited Muhammad Ali to fight George Foreman here in 1974. They called it the Rumble in the Jungle. There has been armed conflict in the DRC for the last 60 years, ranging from militant skirmishes to full-on war. The last major conflict in the DRC lasted from 1998 to 2003. It is known as the Second Congo War, and it's the world's deadliest conflict since World War II, killing 5.4 million people since 1998. Despite having signed peace accords in 2003, fighting continues in the eastern DRC, and the prevalence of rape and other sexual violence is described as the worst in the world. The DRC is also home to the world's largest deposit of coltan, a mineral used in the circuitry of laptops, cell phones, and DVD players. Coltan mining helps finance both military occupation and civil conflict in the DRC. If you own a laptop, a cell phone, or a DVD player, chances are you own a piece of DRC coltan. DRC stands for the Democratic Republic of the Congo.